Have you been unable to find ways to keep active? Well, throughout this video, I will be giving you a plethora of ways to keep fit and active. To reap the health benefits from physical activity, it is important to follow the Australian Physical Activity Guidelines. Try to be active on most, if not all, days of the week. Complete 150 to 300 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 to 150 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week, and do strength-based activities on 2 days of the week. Just remember that doing some physical activity is better than doing none. Please make sure you are listening to and following the government guidelines in regards to social distancing and the equipment that you can and cannot use.
Just as Hannah said, we're going to be showing you a multitude of activities that you will be able to do at home, especially with adhering to social distancing. These activities could include things you're already doing and in fact don't know that they can contribute to your physical activity minutes per week, or we can show you some creative or out-of-the-box ways that you can start doing them now.